Hello guys, what's up madlang people? Welcome to VRB Tube. My name is Vincent Ryan Boris, and for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And please click that subscribe button and also press that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I'm posting videos. Today I'll be sharing to you my ambient patch. It's been a while that people are requesting it, and I got the chance to do it today. By the way, one of my subscribers also requested if I can do Hossana by Hillsong, so I combined the two requests using my Zoom G1xon. Then let's crack on guys, so see you in a bit. Okay, so here's my ambient patch. The first effects is tape echo, time 600, FB 60, mix 56, high DMP 5, level 100, tail on. Took me a while to make this patch. This is my favorite amp because it's very dynamic. So gain, it's only 10 over here. Gain, tube 30, level 100, treble 44, mid 50, bass 49, presence 53, cab vox combo or VX combo 2x12, an output line. And the last bit is the HD whole reverb. So pred 200, decay 100, so it's full blast, so maximum. Mix 60, low DMP 32, high DMP 70, tail off. So that's it. But one thing that I did here is the patch settings. Apart from renaming it to ambient, you go to this one, pedal. I'll show it to you. See, tape echo, VX combo. So it changes here as well. VX combo, gain. If you're not familiar with this one, I got a tutorial on how to adjust or assign the pedal function. Okay, gain, and then the pedal, when it's all up, the gain level is only on 3, and if you press it down, it's on 20. It depends on your guitar. If it's humbucker, single coil, you can adjust that, and it depends on how it sounds in your amp. But this is how I like it, 3, so that when I turn this one up, there's only 3 gain, and then when I press it down, it's not full blast, it's only 20%. Okay, that's it. The other thing that I did was the effect chain. There's also a tutorial on effect chain. Just search Zoom G1xon effect chain. But what I did was, initially my style is amp first from right to left. So right, it should have been amp here, and then it should have been my delay, and the last bit here is the reverb. But it doesn't sound ambient. Sounds nice, it doesn't sound ambient. So when I fiddle about and rearrange the pedal, it works nicely when the reverb, the HD whole reverb, is first, then amp sim, and then delay. That's why that's my arrangement. But you can try and experiment guys on how to do it. Hope you like this video, and I hope it's helping you guys, those who are requesting for an ambient sound. You can even change this VX combo to any amp that you like. Okay, so that's it for now guys, and thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.